What is up, guys? Bobadias Adventures here. Today I here in Central Phoenix, and I came to show you how to get a really good cinematic video with your phone. Alright guys, the first thing you need to do to get a really good cinematic video with your cell phone is set up your cell phone on either manual. You have to make really smooth movements, side to side, up and down, either way, but really smooth. So in that way you won't get like a shaky video take. Once you make it in slow motion, then it can be really nice and smooth. The best thing of all this is that you can use your imagination however you want, depending how open your mind is and how well you know your equipment, your editing, your camera. It's pretty easy. So this is it for today's, guys. Welcome to my adventures today. Me showing you how to do some really good cinematic video with your cell phone. So stay tuned, hit like, subscribe, share it, and see you next video. Remember, keep dreaming. Dreams come true.